It looks a mess. And my birthday shoot is tomorrow. This is absolutely insane. And my lash is lifted. I look crazy. It's not giving she bleached it. It's not giving she plucked it. It's giving she threw a wig on my head and gave me some big edges and said that's it. And that's not right. That's mad grimy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Makiyah Michelle. Well, I should say welcome back to another vlog, a maintenance vlog. I love maintenance vlogs. I'm so excited for this vlog because a good maintenance vlog means I leave the ending looking good. So you know what, I'm always here for a good maintenance vlog. Y'all, it's currently 8:39 in the morning. I'm getting ready to go to my wig install appointment. Today is Saturday. My wig install was originally supposed to be Wednesday, but you know, I got hay-booed, so that's another situation. Now I'm playing. She really had a situation for real and she could not do my hair. I really think that just getting a new hairstylist is bad luck. Something is bound to happen, and you know what? That's why I get. But I just did not feel like going all the way to New York to see my girl Patience, so I just cannot this month, okay? I did not want to do that. Bro, speaking of Patience, these are her bonnets from her wig line, Wignatic. I love these bonnets because they have this tie right here, and you could tie it like this, and they do not slip off during the night. And when you have your wig on, the lace is not moving during the night. So I love these bonnets, honestly. Like, I was always asking her, like, girl, when you gonna restock these bonnets? So if you can shop them, definitely get them while you can. And girl, I'm just trying to do my makeup because I hate doing, not my makeup, for real. I just want to put some concealer on my mustache and on these little breakouts, because one thing about it, these stylists are going to take a picture of their work. So if you look busted in, they don't care. They only care about the hair. And I'm not trying to be on nobody's Instagram page looking wild. So I'm just trying to do my makeup real quick, like little things. I'm pretty much done. I just want to put on these lashes and put on some concealer on my mustache, because my mustache be crazy in pictures to be doing the most. So so we're not doing that. But y'all, today we're getting, I'm gonna see if my brow lady can fit me in today. I totally forgot to ask her for an appointment before, so I'm gonna ask if she can fit me in today. And also I'm getting my nails done. They look a mess because as soon as I decided, you know, forget it, I don't care what tech does not have space in their books, I'm going right to the salon. I started popping my press-ons off, girl, and now they look tragic. I have a few more left, but I'm gonna come home and deal with those, because if I go to them and deal with them, they're actually gonna hurt me with a nail, prying it off, because you know that's what they do. They're not gonna drill it, they're not gonna do none of that. So you know what, I'd rather hurt myself than them hurt me, because then they're gonna charge me to hurt me. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Y'all, why is this lash lifting? I'm not going nowhere like that. Like, please stick down or I'll add some more glue, but don't play with me right now. But yeah, y'all, that's the agenda for today. We just have a few little things to do. I need to get these stuff in check because I have a photo shoot tomorrow. I'll vlog that separately. And also my birthday is next week. Capricorn, yes, my birthday is Christmas Eve, December 24th. So these things have to get done now. We're running out of time. What's today? The 18th. We need to go. We need to get moving, because one thing about it, I cannot look busted on my 18th birthday. Imagine, yeah, if you didn't know, now you know I'm a Capricorn. And I'm a Christmas Eve baby. Double trouble. Stop playing. Capricorns are the best. We end the year and we start it. Bye, y'all. You can't do it without us, period. Okay, y'all, so I'm pretty much ready to go right now. Wait, hold on. Where are my keys? I think they're in my bag. But anyways, one thing I wanted to mention is when she changed my appointment, I had to do it in her house because something happened with her salon chair. So I'm not sure if she's gonna be comfortable with me vlogging in there, and I'm not gonna do the most to try a vlog in there because people's home is their sacred, you know, place. So if she does not let me vlog in there, then I will see y'all when my hair is done. Hopefully I can get something. But if not, it is what it is, and I will see y'all all done up. Young black pin up, all of my did up, period. Anyways, let's get to it. I'm so excited. Hopefully she do good. It's a new stylist. I'm scared, but we gonna give her the benefit of the doubt, and hopefully she do good. We're so excited. Let's get her hair done. Let's go. Got my Mac notebook with the pro tools. Yep, they ready for Nikki Lewinsky. I'm looking for some good brains from a thinker. Okay guys, so this is my hair. I really fucking hate it. I'm not gonna lie, I fucking hate it. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. I'm going, I fucking hate this shit. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna see what I can do. Because dead ass, y'all, this focus camera. Okay, y'all, so I'm pretty sure in the last clip I was going off about my hair because my hair looks absolutely crazy. Girl, I cannot believe my hair looks like this right now. Do not ever cheat on your hairstylist. Do not ever cheat on your hairstylist, because guess what? I was talking about, oh yeah, I just didn't feel like driving to New York. I will drive to her. I will drive to New York over and over and over again if it means I can save myself from this type of experience. Because baby, no. I'm never doing this again. I cannot believe this, and I don't want to bash anybody, so I'm really not trying to go in for real, but I hate my hair, and that's just that, okay? Girl, right now I'm outside of my brow lady. She's about to text me when I can come in to get my brows done. Hopefully she does not mess up my brows too, because it's only so much a girl can take, okay? One thing about me, when it comes to my nails, my brows, and my hair, I'm going to cry every single time, and I have not cried yet. I do not want to cry. It's giving real strong girl, period. I have not cried about my hair being up, but yeah, I'm just waiting. You know, I have to throw a hat on. Can't go outside like that. It's sad enough as is. Oh, and by the way, y'all, it's currently like 12:45 right now, and then after that I have I contacted a hairstylist to see if she could fix this. If she cannot fix this wig, that's okay, because I know it'll take a lot of time to fix this wig. If she cannot fix it, okay, fine, take it off, give me a ponytail. Give me a ponytail with some bundles. I'll be good. Like, literally, I won't do too much. I'll be so grateful. Give me, as long as she don't put too much heat on my hair, because I don't like that. But if she can get my hair slick without putting a lot of heat on it, do that right now. Don't even play a game. I don't care. Let's get that done. Because one thing about it, I can't go to a birthday shoot like this. I'm not doing my birthday photo shoot like this. Anyways, y'all, and I have a lot of things to do today. Like, I have a lot of things to do today. But I did book an appointment to get my nails done with somebody I used to go a long time ago, and that is at 3:30. I might have to push it back to 4, so we'll see how that is. I don't think they can mess it up because it's gonna be so simple. Like, literally all I want is French tip acrylic. Let's not mess it up. I can't keep doing that today. We can't keep messing up Makiyah today. We cannot, because you know what, my birthday is next week. Stop playing. Capricorn season coming up and y'all treating the goats like this? Oh, it never gave. Let's not do that. So I just cannot live like this. I can't. You know what? I really hate when I go off and complain about things like this, because like I'm so fortunate. So I really hate when I get like soaked up in like vanity stuff and get really pissed off. But if I did not have a birthday photo shoot that I'm paying money for already, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. It'd be like, okay, take this hair off, do your own hair. But that's not the case. No, I have a birthday shoot tomorrow. I cannot. Oh, why this other girl going in? Bitch, I thought it was my turn. I'm done ranting about this. I will talk to you later. Like, I don't know what to say. My hair is messed up. My brows finna get done. Hopefully they don't get messed up. And then hopefully my nails don't get messed up later. Because you know what? I cannot see any good happening from this. I cannot. We'll see. I'll see y'all soon. Okay, y'all, so I just got my brows done. Period, Ronnie. Yeah. Hold on, bro. I can't take the hat up too much. Like, y'all want to hear something? Freaking, guess what? So just now when I was getting my brows done, girl, my hat's messed up. But hold on, give me a second. Just a second, sweetie. I had to take off my hat to get my brows done, y'all. I was too ashamed. I was too ashamed because it looked a mess. But just now, when I was leaving, like when she was getting ready and finishing up, my hat was still off. Tell me why somebody that I know dead came in. No, I don't like that. Because we not friends, but you know the vibes. Like, somebody that I know dead came in, and I was just like, no, not. Dang. I was like, no, not right now. Not today. Not on a day like this. But you know what? It's okay because my brows look good. Alright, y'all. Now let's go to the stylist to see if she can fix it. Hold on. Let's look at my brows again. I have nice brows. Stop playing. I have nice brows. Yes, I let them grow for like 2 months. I could take this way and be stuck in traffic, or I can take that way and go through traffic. Let's see. I'd rather take the more direct route and take my chances with traffic. Let's go, y'all. And it's raining today. Like, it's such a sad day. It's just such a sad day. But right now, y'all, I'm about to go to see if this girl can fix my hair. Hopefully she can. It's only about 12 minutes away from here, so I'm about to go there now. Hopefully she can fix my hair. If not, like I said, let's do a fake ponytail. Girl, put some beeswax, some jam, some whatever you gotta put in my head. I don't care if it has buildup on my hair. I don't care. Do whatever you have to do. Slick and lay me down, please. I'm desperate. No, never desperate. Why did I even say that? Never desperate. But you know, things are starting to get a little bit crazy. So yeah, but my brows came out good. My brows came out good. One thing about it, as long as the face is pretty, don't play with me. But the hair needs to be pretty as well. I'm sorry, I don't care. But period. Let's go and check out this hair situation, shall we?
I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself.
Hey everybody! Hold on, why my voice cracked? Hey everybody! So I just got my hair done like I set up the first time. Okay, can we get into these soft edges, baby? And y'all know, yo, I'm tired of my windshield wiper making that noise. Y'all know, I left my bonnet at the first girl's house, and y'all know I was just talking about I was just talking about my bonnet earlier, how much I love that bonnet. So when I left it, baby, I went back for it, and I went back with a new wig, new install, and everything. But yeah, I went to get my bonnet. She didn't see my hair because she wasn't there. But honestly, if she did, I don't really care because it's my money. You know what I mean? Like, if I wasn't satisfied, I got it done by somebody else. So I feel so much better now. Like, my mind feels clearer because that was really, really stressful. And I feel like this vlog has been a mess. I feel like it's been a mess, but you know, sometimes that's how your day goes. This day has been a mess. It's been a lot. So there's only so much I can do, but I'll try to edit up real nice so it doesn't seem like that to y'all. I feel like you guys didn't get to see much of the process. I was like nervous to record when I was getting it done the second time. The first time I couldn't record, and then I got my brows done and I recorded that for y'all. But I just gotta see the footage and see what's it giving. But right now I'm about to go to the mall and get my nails done. I think I told y'all about that earlier, how I booked an appointment at a salon. I don't know how that's gonna go, but we'll see. Honestly, now that my hair's done and my brows were done very good, okay, my brow lady did not come to play with you. Everybody after my first hair appointment, everybody understood the assignment. So yeah. Yeah, so right now I'm about to get my nails done. Hopefully they don't do that bad, but it's gonna be short French tips, so I really don't know how they can mess it up. But you know, some people mess up things that are very, very easy, so you just never know. And I'm not even talking about my hair, I'm talking about in general. Like, people be messing up stuff that's very easy, very simple. So you just never know. You gotta be, what did Nikki say? You gotta be careful when you pick fights. Like, she really jumped out the window, and you just never know. Yeah, she said something like that. Period. Get into it. Like, I just, who is beeping who? Because baby, my light is red. But you just glow different when your hair is done properly and you like it. I love y'all. Like, I'm really feeling the holiday spirit now. I feel very happy, very cheerful, very giving. And it's raining. Oh, I have an umbrella in my backseat. I forgot. Y'all, one thing about me, I'm gonna keep everything in my car because you just never know the situation you might find yourself in. It's pouring rain, so I have an extra outfit in the backseat of my car, like just like a regular, like if I'm spending the night at somebody's house type outfit. Are you coming out or what? Because the parking is crazy. This is why I hate coming to the mall around holiday time. Parking be crazy. I'm about to ask the person where they parked at. Hi, sorry, did you guys park in this area? Yeah. Like close? Yeah. Okay. All right, thank you. Today I was with my cousin a little bit earlier, and I'm like, girl, ask them where they parked at. Ask them where they parked at. She like, no, that's mad embarrassing. I said, girl, they don't know you. What do you mean? You don't know these people. Oh, these people parked right here? Oh, yeah. God works in mysterious ways. So, I'm like, girl, what do you mean? Like, just ask them where they parked at. She's like, that's mad embarrassing. These people don't know you. Oh, how are you being embarrassed? They don't know you from a hole in the wall. Ask them where they parked at so your cousin can get a spot, babes. My goodness, but these people are right here. I will gladly wait for them. Oh, I have an appointment. Oh well, and what about it? Because they never care about my time. So why? Because I be having appointments, I get there on time, and I'm sitting there waiting. So anyways, back to what I was saying. Yeah, I'm in no rush. I'll wait for these people. Yeah. This is the longest hair I've ever had. This is giving 30-inch. And I'm very small, so I was not sure. But I was like, forget it. Like, you know, anything is better than. Anything's better. Oh, why is my hand shaking? Because I haven't eaten today. Oh, God. It's raining so much, I can't even see on my camera. And that camera, I'm sorry. Say I don't know how to drive if you want to, but baby, that's how I park. Okay, that camera helped me a lot. But I can do it without it. That's how I learned in driving school. Okay, we're fine. Let's go, babes. Let's go into the mall. Look, let's go. Y'all remember when I said, oh, I love a good maintenance vlog because you end the vlog looking good? Spoke too soon. But baby, that's when it is not 4:15 in the morning, okay? And I have a shoot tomorrow morning, but I am up right now because I just finished editing this vlog, okay? I want to make sure it's up on time tomorrow or today. So I made sure to sit here and edit it, and I love it so far. But y'all, I just wanted to tell y'all something real quick. I was gonna go through the rundown with my hair, but I'll do that in the next vlog. Stay tuned. If you guys enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below. I was gonna tell y'all like the real tea, but like I said, I'll do that in the next vlog. Y'all, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, because trust me, you're gonna want to stick around. So make sure you subscribe, and you can also follow me on my social media too if you're feeling generous. But the real girls finna get the tea in the next video. They finna see my photo shoot next video. Make sure you stay tuned because I'm vlogging. Anyways, I'll see y'all then. Bye. Mwah.